Welcome to the African desert. Here we see a bull.
Penis.
We see he is looking directly
Penis.
at the. He's looking direct. Stop talking
Penis.
about penis. Stop talking about penis. This is. It's not funny.
I'm sorry.
Here we see a bull, and he's looking directly at the camera. He's giving us the death stare, and now it's a bird.
You're kind of ugly.
The bull has evolved into a bird, as you can see.
The.
Don't you just love nature? Oh. Oh my
Oh
god, look. It's
Zebras.
it's Marty, the zebra from Madagascar.
Delete my number. She got fast though.
Which one? Oh my god. Imagine like the director is like, alright,
Where's
lion,
the B-roll? Where's the
wild
transition?
lion,
Like,
wild lion, I need you to slow things down.
big Ryan boy.
This is a really cool
Fuck,
rhino.
I said Ryan. I said Ryan.
You said Ryan? Why would you say Ryan? Ryan had nothing to do with
Does
this.
it look like I know my aminos?
Why is he drooling
Look how
so much?
ugly it- It's a water boy.
You think the cheetah is just gonna destroy this rhinoceros?
Well, here's the thing. I don't think the rhino is smart enough to use its big ass fucking thing.
You mean it's a horn? Or whatever?
Yeah,
Is it a horn?
The horn, like one stab, and it's like boom, bitch, back to the gulags.
That's true. Cause I'd be afraid to be stabbed by a rhino.
But like, here's
I'm
the
just-
problem, bro. Like, the cheetah can try, but like, I feel like as soon as they're gonna make impact, it's just gonna go back. Oh, and now there's fucking.
And now
elephants.
elephants.
There's also impalas for some fucking reason. Not the Chevrolet kind, you dirty scum.
Did you know elephants are like on the verge of dying? Like all of them?
Oh my
And
god,
then-
bro, same.
And then not existing anymore?
Wow, what will we do without them?
Oh, it's bathing.
Water. Yeah, it should.
It's bathing in mud.
I mean, look at it. It's so...
Oof.
Dude, stop. Dude, stop.
Imagine watching this in 4K. Ugh.
Isn't this in 4K?
And now zebras. That's me when I wake up in the morning and I turn on my light.
Like, they go... Ah!
I'm just squinting.
I think that's
Like
how it
my-
works, right?
Like I keep crying because like the light is so bright. You know what I mean?
See, like, for me, there's no light at the end of the tunnel. It's like, it's not that bright.
And now zebra. There's a lot of zebras in Africa. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
Well, I'm pretty sure that's the only place that they're in.
Yep. Have you watched Tiger King yet?
No.
Oh, dude, you gotta watch it.
No.
Man, I really like... Oh. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Who do you think is bigger, Boogie or an elephant?
Oh my god. What the fuck?
I say that joke knowing he's lost
look
weight,
look at her
okay?
reaction. They're just like, bro, you should not have said that.
No, he's lost weight, okay? You know?
I didn't
He had
care about
gas,
his channel
he had
after a while,
gas,
so I just
he
kinda
had
gave
gas,
up.
whatever, he had gassed whatever the fuck it's called.
Gastric bypass?
Yeah.
Deadass.
They leave you.
Oh.
Have you watched Tiger King?
Oh my fuck, ask me that shit. We're on Johnson.
I'm just saying you gotta watch it. You gotta watch Tiger
Fuck,
King.
that's too fucking... I
You
don't
gotta
want to
watch
no
Tiger
goddamn
King.
tigre. Okay, shut up.
Alright. You win this time, but next time I'm gonna get you.
Ooh, the
What
music's
do you-
getting intense, bro.
It is. Why did the music change all of a sudden?
Oh my god. Wait. Someone's about to play Fortnite, that's why.
Shit's about to go down. Those
Oh my
giraffes,
god.
they're gonna fuck up
The giraffes are
everybody.
about to go bomba.
It looks like they are. Yeah, they're just swinging their necks. Like, what is he doing? Why is he just like,
Sword
fuck
fight.
you? You took my food earlier, and now I'm gonna take your life.
You took my Lunchables. Oh my god, look, it's
Lion.
Mufasa.
It is Mufasa.
Mm-hmm.
This is what the Lion King remake should have been.
Oh my god, look, it's Simba. Or some other bitch. I don't know I don't know.
Levy's naming the
They got
two
offended.
Levy's naming the two Lion King characters that he knows. It's just those two,
Yep.
Mufasa and Simba. That's me in the morning when I
Ooh.
wake up.
No.
Who could relate?
Bro. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just saying.
Oh shit!
You know,
Oh shit! the one line's like, fuck off. You try to take me down. Try to take me down, you
bitch.
fall on your ass. That's what you get.
Oh my god, they're just like absolute unit, bro.
They're going to meet. They're gonna become one big happy
They're going
family.
renegade.
Can you give me a fact about lions?
Lions are
Yep.
animals.
Yep. It took you a while to come up
And
with
they
that.
sometimes live.
That's true. Do lions eat?
Just like that's occasionally. They don't eat they only eat like every they only eat every Fast and Furious remake.
Oh man. That's like almost
Just
every
basically
year.
yeah. I mean, if we really want to be more like it, it's more like every Samsung Galaxy release, which is like every day.
Yeah. Every day a new one comes out.
Mhm.
I don't know how Samsung pumps out so many phones.
I mean, they gotta keep their trash user base up,
Ouch.
you know?
You're offending the 3% of viewers that watch our videos that have Samsung phones.
No. I have a super sick way to not get offended. Like, watch this. So I just said, yo, they gotta keep their trash fan base up somehow. Yo, I got a super good way on how not to get offended. It's easy. It's called take your phone. You know, maybe you got a Samsung Galaxy, or you were one of those bitches in high school that just got like a Samsung Galaxy Core with like it lags every time you turn on the screen. But listen. So like you get that. You exit the app. You uninstall the app. You reinstall Android. You put your phone in the microwave.
Okay.
And after you put it in the microwave, you take it out of the microwave, you put it back in, close the door around 5 times, start it, and then you're gonna see a bunch of sparks and stuff. That does the phone like upgrade. That's just like the battery getting bigger and like the processor.
Yeah.
You take it out,
Obviously.
and then
I mean,
boom,
everyone
there's
knows
no
that.
way, and like you take it out, and like there's like no way for you to be able to like get offended by this video anymore. You want to know why? Because you just ruined your phone.
Mhm.
Yo, can we please make an animation for that? Even though you might not want to.
No, I'm not fucking
Do it.
doing it.
Do
not
it in like
fucking doing it.
Microsoft Paint. Do it in Microsoft Paint, bro.
So, Levy, have you watched Tiger King yet?
I swear to fuck. I swear to fuck. Ask me that bullshit one more time. I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. I
I hope we get to watch one of these animals shit at some point. I don't know, I just want think it would be cool. And now, birds. Birds.
Bears.
More birds.
More bears. Bears. Birds.
Can we just get some more birds in here? Yes, perfect. I want any more birds.
Fucking get a pelican in there. If there's not a pelican, I would just like
a whole episode of birds, please.
That's
Can't
like
leave
so
you.
sick, bro.
Can't leave you.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to Ram Ranch?
I will ram that ranch so far up your ass. I swear to God. Shut the fuck up.
I just sit here for hours and watch this stuff.
Mhm.
You know the movie, what is it? Birdemic?
Oh God.
You know the movie Birdemic?
Yeah.
Well, they should make a Birdemic, except instead of birds, it's giraffes.
Mm-hmm. Giraffe-demic?
Giraffe-demic, yeah.
Ooh.
Thank you
Damn.
for joining us in this relaxing
Trying time.
ASMR documentary, nature documentary.
Well,
We
of
got
course. What do you mean?
We got
Of
to
course I would.
explore. We got to explore the realms of Africa. See lots of birds and lots of other exciting animals.
Yeah.
I've been your host, Corey. Once and again, Corey Slim Jim, Johnny Penis Man. And
Yeah.
my co-narrator. Shut up, phone.
The PP boy.
PP boy. Also, please don't sue us for this video. This video was just made for comedic purposes.